this VMC1160 vertical machining center. The whole optical machine adopts HT300 high-grade cast iron bed. At the same time, it is tempered to ensure rigidity and long-term processing stability. Adopt the whole sheet metal protection structure design. X-axis travel 1,100 mm, Y-axis travel 600 mm, Z-axis travel 700 mm with high-precision roller guide, high-precision roller screw. Optional BT40 or BT50 spindle units for high torque or high-speed machining. Spindle speed up to 8,000 revolutions per minute. High rigidity, high precision, suitable for heavy cutting and long-time continuous processing. Is machinery manufacturing, automotive, energy, steel parts, aluminum parts, and other precision parts processing tool. Be configured according to customer needs, FANUC, KED, GSK, and other systems. Welcome new and old users to consult.